Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to open a port on any router. So basically, you don't have to do all that port mapping, port forwarding. That shouldn't be a problem because if you have a UPnP service available on your router that you can turn it on, this is quite simple to do. What you need is a simple little program called Albertina Port Mapper. Now, I found this nifty program on internet as I was searching like few years ago, and I'm gonna show you a link down in the description. But uh, as you can all know, there's the link. You don't have to do it, but I'm just gonna put this in yeah, as I said in the description. So you just paste this, simple download from MediaFire. All you have to do is download. So you're gonna download it in a zip format as you see here. So I have to unzip it first, extract here, and you're gonna have this folder, so called Albertina Port Mapper. You want to double click on it, and first before that I prepared just a picture here because I don't actually have access to my router because it's complicated, but it's okay. So UPnP current UPnP status is enabled. So if you have this, there's a TP link. So if you have any other router, just go. You have to log in as an admin so you can see this forwarding settings. So you just click on forwarding, or you're just gonna see UPnP somewhere in the section here. So if you enable it, you have to wait like a couple of seconds or maybe restart your router. It does take an effect after restarting your router, so you try that. Like for sure, it's gonna work. Okay, next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open Albertina Port Mapper. It's gonna say searching for router. Now, for security reasons, I'm just gonna blank out that my IP address. This is my actual IP address here. So in this bar, there's my actual IP address, and then down there, you see my actual local address. So 101.902. Yeah, fuck, I fucked up again, but as you see it. So you want to click start listening first, and then you, the port you want to open, it's quite simple. Okay, just fucker. Okay, it's simple. So I want to add port like 9987. That's default TeamSpeak port. You're just gonna click TCP and UDP. You just don't care, and make, I don't know, description. Doesn't really affect anything. Just add mapping. So I'm just gonna see this green here. If it's red, you gotta go to your router and enable this couple of times more, so it refreshes the router settings so you can actually see this green bar. Now you're not going to see that port open because TeamSpeak uses UDP. So basically, you cannot be pinged on that. You cannot be pinged because it's a UDP protocol. So what you wanna do is go here, and I'm just gonna show you my mappings real quick. So this is a public port on my IP address. What you wanna do is run your server first. I mean, yeah, basically open the port here and run your server that has like TCP port, like Minecraft server, I don't know, name it, Call of Duty 4 server, so people can access it. Okay, so it actually requests the port to be open. In other way, you won't be able to test it out here. So as you can see on my all UPnP mappings, there's a public port 10011. So that's a port I use for TeamSpeak with that I use with my friends. But okay, back to the thing. That port is open, and as you can see here, my TeamSpeak server is working. So my TeamSpeak server is now using that port, that local port that I opened, and translated into public port. So what you want to do here, type this out, and if it says success, it's gonna say success. But you first have to do this. You have to add the port here by clicking plus and adding the port here. And also clicking UDP. And after that, you wanna run your server. So the server actually requests the public port to be open and use it. So after that, you're going to be seen publicly with your port. I'm gonna blank this out also, but that's the simplest way to do this. I hope I explained you as much as I could. I'm not perfect English speaker, but this is also my first video, so leave a like, comment down below what should I do next, and see ya buds next time.